Good morning, baby Nitro. What you doing, huh? Where you going? Saan ka pupunta, baby? Oh, you wanna go outside? What? What are you doing?
You're beautiful, you shine like a star. You got me falling slowly, and I'm crashing into you. Oh baby, wherever you go, I pray the angels remind you.
Ma'am Shanta, anong gagawin natin today?
Luluto tayo ng palabok at saka pansit.
Palabok at pansit? Do you know how to cook palabok?
Madaming recipe.
Say YouTube. You're just gonna watch a YouTube video. What do you know how to cook?
Wow!
I taught you how to cook that. What do you know how to cook that I didn't teach you how to cook? Huh? Shanta?
Kuan.
Kanin.
Buti mo!
Ano naman?
Experiment!
Mabuhay Pilipinas! What's up sa inyo dyan? Welcome back to Bang Vlog sa Biba. Pag-bibe! Hey, bebe! Nitro! Nitro! Hey! Wow! Kanina ka pa nandyan na. Pag-bibe! Yeah! And then of course, pag-bibe. Ngayong umaga po, Shanta is going to try and cook palabok. Kasi siya lang ang Pilipina sa buong mundo na hindi marunong diba,
Uy,
Shanta?
marunong ako magluto. Sabi ko na nga, experiment. Magaling ako.
You can cook rice in a rice cooker.
Marunong ako magluto ng rice kahit walang rice cooker, no? Huwag kayong maniniwala kay Dwaine. Chinichika lang kayo niyan.
So yun ang ganap today, guys. So Shanta, how do you cook palabok?
Bili tayo ng itlog. Bili tayo ng
May dalawang itlog dito, oh. Itlog, ano pa?
tayo ng shrimp. Pero wag na shrimp. May shrimp yan eh. Pero hindi ka may shrimp, di ba?
Kahit shrimp, pwede din. Basta you peel it, ha? Ano pa?
Yung crushed pig skin, I think.
Crushed pig skin? What?
Ah,
talking
chicharon,
about?
chicharon.
Chicharon. Gusto mo ng cream, baby? Ay? Uy! Nitro! 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 Ito na, baby. Bye! Bye! Tuwang-tuwa siya dito sa grocery. So, in this aisle, huh? In this aisle. Wow. What's that? Oh, it shakes. Makes a noise. Okay, Mami Shanta, you were luto na. Welcome to Shanta's Cooking Show.
Matagal na po tayong nag-ano, para may ilaw yung kitchen natin.
So siya.
Diba? Yung una nating magluluto, nandun sa, sa old videos natin. Nagluto tayo ng kaldereta, nagluto tayo ng kalabasa na binake. Basta, nandito yun sa channel ni Dwaine or nasa channel ko. Meron tayong mga cooking vlogs. Hindi talaga siya cooking vlogs. Cooking lang.
Palpak cooking.
Palpak cooking. Ngayon, itatry natin ang palabok. Kasi naisipan ko lang na, parang ang sarap kumain ng palabok. Walang Jollibee dito sa
Naisip ko nung pangalan for kumagat para sa show natin. Show natin. Palpak country.
Yung mga ingredients po natin, kulang-kulang. Kulang-kulang.
Puro kulangot, ano?
Kasi yes, baby. Kasi sinasabi ko kay Dwaine na ito yung kailangan natin. Tapos sabi niya, okay na yan kahit wala yan. Hindi na siya totoong palabok kasi may mga ingredients na kailangan pero wala. Hindi namin nabili.
Sayang.
Aside from wala dito, yung mga pwedeng alternative. Sabi ni Dwaine, okay lang kahit wala na yan. Pero ito na lang, work na lang natin kung ano yung nandito. Meron tayong apples, joke lang dito sa yung apple. Ito, nandyan lang yan kasi easy access para kay Nitro. So, yung ingredients natin, Chinese cabbage. Napa-cabbage daw to, half. Yan. Ito yung rice sticks. Nakalimutan ko, basta vermicelli pala nakalagay. Yung sa recipe na binasa ko kasi, iba yung pangalan, kaya hindi ko nahanap kagad. Sabi ko, parang ito yun. Parang hindi. Tapos meron tayong chicharon.
Wow.
Ito rin, importante ito. Sabi ni Dwaine, huwag na kahit walang chicharon. Hindi pwedeng walang chicharon kasi importante yan. Meron tayong ito, binoil ko na yung eggs kanina para ready na ngayon. Tapos sabi ko kay Dwaine, nung lumabas sila na ito, bili ka ng onion at saka garlic, tapos tinapa or smoked mackerel. Pero walang smoked mackerel na dumating. So ito lang yung lahat. O, tingnan nyo, ang dami-dami ng garlic natin. Ng onions natin, tapos garlic. Hindi naman natin ubusin yan.
Pero may shrimp, di ba?
Meron tayong shrimp.
Sana all.
Nandito.
Sana all may shrimp.
Tapos, yung ito yung shrimp. Tapos, kailangan natin ng, ano ba tawag nun? Broth. Beef broth. Wala tayong beef broth. Kaya, yung gagawin ko, yung powder na lang na beef broth ko.
Palpak talaga.
Ay, social. Social ang beef broth natin. Sabi dito, ano daw, soak the noodles in water until it gets soft. So, magkuha tayo ng tubig. Lagay natin sa hot para malinis na yung lumabas kagad.
Ay, Charo, anong ginagawa mo dyan, ha? Anong ginagawa mo dyan, baby? Ha?
Parating ko bang sinasabi na hindi ako marunong magluto? Hindi naman ibig sabihin na hindi ako marunong maglagay ng ingredients sa mga ganyan. Ibig ko lang sabihin hindi ako marunong kasi kung walang internet, wala akong maluluto. Kasi yung totoong marunong magluto, kahit wala siliting ng recipe, marunong siya. Kaya ako hindi ako marunong kasi kailangan ko tumingin ng recipe.
True.
Wala akong specialty kasi. Ayan, so isusok natin yung vermicelli. Vermicelli ba tawag dito?
Vermicelli!
Sa water. Kasi
Yes.
yun yung sabi. Tapos mag-boil tayo ng water. Sila na rin.
Shanta is cooking palabok, Dad. It's a
But with the
Filipino
wrong
dish.
ingredients.
Well, it's got
Because
most
Dwaine said,
ingredients.
oh, we don't need that. Oh, we don't need that. We don't need it. So it will taste different.
Taste like, what do you call it?
It won't taste like
You call it
palabok.
pancit.
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 Yeah. 6 cups of water.
Ah, may accent.
Yes.
One more.
2 cups of water.
How does Shanta say water, Dad?
Water.
So, ito na yung 6 cups of water.
Shanta, what's next?
Sabi dito, magpa-fry tayo ng prawns or shrimp. Prawns dito sa Australia.
You know?
Yung cooking oil natin, kasi social tayo, olive oil.
Yep.
Nag-boil na tayo ng 6 cups ng water. And then, magpa-fry na tayo ng prawns or shrimp. Kailangan natin i-fry yung shrimp ng 30 seconds per side.
Wow. Ilang seconds na?
Hindi ko alam. I
Yep.
made a mistake.
What? What mistake?
Sabi saute, but I didn't put garlic and onion.
Oh.
I have to do it again.
Oh, friggin' hell. I'll just cook the garlic and onion. That should be
Yeah,
alright.
I'm going to put it now.
Okay, now Shanta.
Dahil nakalimutan natin, inulit natin.
Yun yung sibuyas tsaka ano.
Sinusutain natin yung shrimp.
Alam mo kung bakit sibuyas ang tawag sa sibuyas?
Bakit?
Kasi taga Cebu.
Hi! Ako po si Bailey at may Phil Talk ako.
If you want to learn Tagalog or Bisaya, Phil Talk is awesome.
Just go to philtalk.net and create an account.
Sign up to Phil Talk today.
Okay, John fan, tingnan natin ang progress ng luto ni Shanta. Welcome back to PALPAK Pantry. Ayun, no? Okay, Shanta, anong meron? Anong progress dyan? Ano yun?
Ano yun?
Alam nyo, kasi dapat pork. Pero kasi wala tayong pork, chicken na lang. So, ito yung
Chicken palabok.
na sinatay sa sinatay.
Chicken palabok.
Tapos
Pamar.
sabi,
Ano?
kailangan pala ng malalim na lalagyan. Kaya,
Ay, ganun.
ano ba yan?
Ay, wow.
Ayan. So, meron na tayo dito. Kulang-kulang to ha, as I've said. Hindi tama yung mga ingredients, pero yung malapit. So, ito yung para sa taas, para kina Mom and Dad and Hallie.
Wow.
Yung sa atin, kulang kasi ng sauce, kaya gagawin natin mamaya. So, nandito na yung vermicelli natin. Ano yan? Nasobrahan, nakalimutan kong tanggalin. So, hindi siya strands. Para na siyang rice.
Parang na siyang ewan.
Para na siyang rice. And so, lalagay natin yung ginawa nating broth, so sauce. Instead of, di ko alam ba't ganyan siya. Instead of,
Palabok ba yan? What's that, Shanta? Cabbage.
yeah, napa-cabbage. Pero dapat, alam mo yung lalagay, spring onion. Yung isang recipe kasi, cabbage. Kaya hindi ko alam kung ano yung totoo. Yan na yung itsura niya. Tapos, lalagyan natin ng, excuse me, baby nitro! Excuse me, baby nitro! Baby! Instead of limoncito, lagyan natin ng lemon. So, actually, pwedeng sila nang maglagay. Pero lagyan lang natin. Ito yung
Chicharon.
Did I put
Ayun.
chicharon already? No, I didn't. I forgot.
Oh, there you go. Now it has chicharon. No, it's okay now. Hey, let's give it to
Ito, lagyan natin.
Hallie and Dad na. Sige na. Ito na. That looks so manasa. Can I have some?
Taste it.
Sige na. Sige na.
Parang totoo siyang palabok. I didn't expect that. Diba? You have to
Not
put
bad.
Masarap,
Masarap
diba?
actually, yeah. Masarap siya.
Baby nitro.
Hey, let's go deliver it upstairs
No, baby nitro,
to
Anay.
Dad and Hallie.
I want to
Huh?
give this to baby nitro, Anay.
Nitro, you come try some palabok, baby. Mamam. Mamam. Yummy. Is it yummy? Ooh, it's yummy. Hey.
Yes.
It's yummy. Is it yummy?
Yummy.
Pull the noodles out.
Kasi mahaba. Yummy.
It's yummy though, isn't
Likes
it?
it.
Yummy. Yummy, yummy.
Just spitting it out.
Nitro. Hey. Nitro. We're gonna deliver the palabok to Mom, Dad, and Hallie. Let's go. Baby Nitro, come on. Tara na. Where are you going? Oh, wrong way. Nitro. Alright, let's go upstairs, baby Nitro. Let's go upstairs, baby. Yes, we're going upstairs. Okay, here we go.
Pasok po kayo.
Pasok na, pasok na.
Dad, it's here. It's ready.
Come get amongst it. Mum's not home. Alright, well, you and Hallie can try it. Oh, Nitro, what you doing, huh?
Yum, it looks so good.
Yeah, doesn't it? It's called palabok.
So sharp.
You have to mix it.
Huh?
For Dad.
Mix it.
Yeah, I have to mix it. I'll mix it.
Sige na, mix ka na.
Can Dad eat that?
Yeah,
Of course you can.
Oh, Dada.
it looks healthy.
Nitro,
But it's like,
Nitro. Come here, boy. Come here.
Good job, Shanta.
Come here.
you haven't tasted it yet. You have to mix it.
Mix it now.
Okay, I'll mix it.
Or you put it on the plate and then mix it.
Yep.
Oh, it looks very good.
It does, huh?
Let's see if it tastes good.
Sarap.
So, because the
Get a spoon.
Where's everyone else's?
Hey?
Where's everyone else's?
Oh, we have more downstairs.
I have to make another what's that sauce
Oh, yeah.
because I don't.
It looks so good.
It's nice. Alright, let him eat it, Shan.
Yeah, no,
Stop mixing it. TV now.
I'm mixing it.
You don't need to mix it, just let him eat it.
Oh, why?
You're so impatient.
But you have to
quickly,
mix it.
quickly, quickly.
Only that you can do it, and then you
Alright.
have to put
What do you think, Hallie?
this way.
Is it good?
You have to mix it well because there's lemon.
It tastes different.
Different.
I don't know had something that tastes like this before.
It's because
Is it
you.
Filipino?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think so. I think so. Oh my gosh, you're gonna bash me. Hindi, kasi maybe it's Spanish or something. Alam niyo yun.
It's not good.
It's good.
It's so good.
Were you
Dad,
thinking
smash it, Matt.
that it's sweet or something? And
Yeah. It was that.
I'm not sure what are you stealing. Are you stealing all the food? Minaka mo yung pagkain ni Grandpa, no?
You have to mix it with it.
You did?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
Crispy pork crushed.
What do you reckon, Matt?
Did you mix well that? Tastes different.
It tastes weird, hey.
It's good.
Tastes weird, you reckon, Ellie?
Weird good, right, Helly? Weird good.
Different.
Different. Do you like it, Dad? Honest review. Do you think Mom would like it?
No.
She doesn't like seafood.
Oh,
so,
she-
like Dwaine.
She would like the prawns.
Okay.
Does Nacho like it?
Yeah, Nacho had some earlier.
Ooh, yummy.
Yummy. Yeah, he likes it.
There you go. Ayun o, success to One True Fam. Gusto nila. Ang galing man ni Mami Shanta magluto. Diba?
Galing naman ng experiment.
Salamat sa panonood, One True Fam. At kita-kita sa sunod na video ng One True. Bye for now.
Bye.